just read a comment on my last video that said I had installed these plungers in the wrong direction. The book, now the way the book reads, it says that the hollow end points down. Well, that's the only part I read. It also says that the hollow end should point out. Well, my motor is upside down in the stand, so to me down was down, right? Well, in this case, down is up. So what I gotta do is turn these plungers facing the right way. Once I get them out of there, which isn't always the easiest thing to do, I guess. Let's see. The magnet's not really pulling it so well this time. Come on, magnet, do your thing. Let's see. Give it a little help here. Magnet isn't strong enough for that side. Get the other side off. That one came out successfully. Come on, baby. First one came out no problems, easy peasy. Second one gave me a little bit of a hard time. I was able to get a stronger magnet. It still wouldn't quite pull out with just the magnet, so I heated it up right in this area here, right next to the plunger. Just gave it just a little bit of heat, and that was enough to, it broke free like immediately with just a touch of heat. So I'll be able to flip these over, get them going in the right way, which is this way, and we'll get this back to where it was when I started. Thanks.